This is my cooking and cleaning inspirational. I'm putting some vinegar into my bowl and then I'm going to drop my chicken in because I'm going to wash the chicken. I don't know why that's such a big deal, but anyway, I'm going to wash the chicken and I'm going to make sure all my surfaces are cleaned afterwards properly. And I made sure they were clean before. And I'm going to show you my chicken all seasoned up. So this is me with the end of the seasoning, getting everything good and prepared. That's a little bit of herb essence. And then I'm going to get that avocado oil so that I can drizzle the avocado oil over my chicken. And now it's time to clean. Since my chicken's in the oven, that's the perfect time to clean. I don't know about you, but you got to stop leaving the dishes until the end. You can clean in between. Say it with me. You can clean in between. You can clean in between. So, what I like to do is if I'm putting my meat on, I can just go ahead and clean the kitchen up. I like to clean my kitchen up before I eat. So this way, when I sit down to eat, I don't have to be bothered with thinking about, oh my God, I got to clean the kitchen. I'm full. I don't want to clean the kitchen. And then that leads to the kitchen probably not getting cleaned, one, or not getting cleaned as well as it should, or you know you just don't want to dilly dally with this. The kitchen is something you want to stay on top of because this is where you get your food and you don't want to get sick because you had poor sanitation going on in your kitchen. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but you should go ahead and dry those dishes off after you wash them. I'm not gonna say be as me, but I don't even do the dish rack anymore. I can't stand them. I think they're gross and they're disgusting. I do the mat because me doing a dish mat ensures that my dishes get put away because I'm not going to leave that on the counter. I'm just not, right? So now all the dishes will be put away completely. And once that's done, I can wipe down my counters. Once the counters are completely wiped down, I go on ahead and I sanitize my sink. I sanitize my sink, I clean the sink out well. I sprayed it down with antibacterial cleanser before I started rinsing it down here. As you can see, I make sure I get everything rinsed up. This is a part of washing the dishes, guys. You gotta wash the sink out too, okay? Because again, you want to make sure that the kitchen stays sanitized. This is where you're preparing your food, and this is how a lot of foodborne illnesses occur when you don't have proper sanitation in your kitchen. So I'm just going to get this dried up and then you're going to meet me with my broom because I'm going to start doing a little sweep up. So I always like to clean my counters off before I start sweeping just in case if there's anything that falls off the counter, it can go on ahead and get swept up. My chicken is still in the oven. I think I have about 12 minutes left for the chicken, but you can continue to clean. And as you watch me, I will continue to clean. And I hope this motivates you to get up and clean up. It doesn't take much. If you do a little every single day, you don't have to worry about doing a big clean at the end of the month. Like, you don't have to do a big clean at the end of the month if you're making sure. Hold on, I'll be right back. If you're making sure you're doing what you're supposed to do daily for your daily chores. So I'm laying the mats back down in the kitchen, getting everything back in order the way it normally is. And now I can actually go and sit down for a second